Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would share with you the multiple job opportunities for testers, and we are going to share with you the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. So let me share the job opportunities. So from the testing perspective, you have this job opportunity and it is for 6 months experience, right? So here are the details. So CHL is looking for QA engineers, and they are looking for someone who is having experience of 6 months to 3 years. And location is Ahmedabad, so you can send your CV to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for senior QA estate, and the location is Gurugram. It is work from office role, and they are hiring senior QA engineers who can build quality into the fintech products, not test at the end. So they are looking for someone who is having strong experience in automation, QA, API plus heavy backend, hands-on with test framework, CI/CD, reliability testing, experience in fintech, payments, banking domain would be a strong plus point. And you can apply here, right? This is the job details. Then Bit Squared Software is looking for freshers. So they are looking for freshers with respect to positions in Microsoft Power Platform development, Microsoft Dynamic 365 development, quality assurance, and the criteria is given: BTech, CS, IT, EC, MTech, CS, IT, EC, BCA, MCA, Bachelor of Engineering, online assessment round 1 and on-site interview round 2. Then there is a walk-in drive which is happening on 14th of February, that is Saturday. It would be from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And the position is QA automation engineer. Skills required is Playwright, JavaScript or TypeScript. Experience required is 3 to 8 years. Work location would be Hyderabad. So these are the walk-in date and timings: 14 February, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And these are the venue details. And so these are few of the job details. Now let me share with you further details. See, there are two referrals that I want to share with you. First is the QA manager itself, who is from Bangalore, Karnataka, and he is referring the candidates as there are multiple opportunities in his company. So his company name is Solera, and Solera is hiring for multiple roles: SDET, senior SDET, lead SDET, principal automation architect, senior SDET, performance engineering, QA manager itself. So these are all the opportunities. So what you have to do is you have to apply via this career site, and you have to DM with the job number and your resume. So what I will do is I'll put a separate comment of this particular URL and this particular detail so that it will be useful for you to apply. It would be easy for you to apply. Okay. Next is the requirement for the automation test engineer, and they are also having multiple openings. So it is in Galantic Technology. Okay. So you can DM to Sanket, right? And his company is hiring with all these openings. So one of the openings is manual tester for life insurance domain, Gurgaon, fresher, right? It's a fresher opportunity as well as experience. Manual tester, banking government project, 7 to 10 years. Okay, and then automation tester, 2 to 3 years, immediate to 15 days. Manual tester again, life insurance, manual tester, non-life Asia. So I'll be putting a separate comment for this particular thing as well. So that becomes easy for you to apply. Okay. Next is the job opportunity. So let us go to those jobs. Okay, so let's look into these particular job opportunities. So there is a requirement for quality assurance, and they are hiring for QA manual engineer, 4 to 6 years, and location is Ahmedabad. The working days would be Monday to Friday. Key skills would be manual testing, SDLC, STLC, test case writing, API testing, Jira, familiar with AI tools, automation exposure, strong problem solving, and analytical thinking. You can apply at this particular email address, or you can also WhatsApp at this particular number, right? Then there is a requirement for automation, again, Playwright plus JavaScript plus type Cypress. Location is Pune. Role is automation, Playwright with JavaScript, and experience required is 4 plus years. Okay, it is Pune location. So if you are having hands-on experience on Playwright, you can apply. There's the email address and there's a WhatsApp number. You can share the CV on the WhatsApp as well. Okay. Then this is the walk-in drive details for 14th of February, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. would be the timings. And the location is Hyderabad. Capgemini Technological Services India Limited, and the location is Chennai. Okay. Roles and skills experience 3.6 to 12 years. And you can apply here. So these are the roles that they are looking for: Playwright plus automation, Guidewire plus automation, Selenium plus Java plus API, right? And then BitSquared software, we saw the hiring for freshers. Then there's a requirement for automation testing role, and experience required is 6 to 10 years. Location is Bangalore. Immediate joiners are preferred. And this is the email address wherein you have to share your CV. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer, 6 months to 3 years, and location is Ahmedabad. And the position is for a QA engineer. So if you're interested, you can share your resume at this particular email address. Then Infosys is looking for hiring automation testing. So this is the job ID. Then ETL with automation testing, this is the job ID for that, and performance testing. So you can apply via the careers page itself. Okay. And you can share your resume to canada.rect@infosys.com. Okay. So this is there. Uh, so if you are authorized to work for any employer in Canada, then you can apply. But if you are not having any immigration sponsorship, then you will not be eligible for this role. Then there is a requirement for QA engineers, India, US time zone alignment. Immediate joiners are required. And location is India. The tech environment is TypeScript, React, Node.js, GraphQL, GCP. So they are looking for a QA engineer to join a fast growing product team. And the role involves hands-on functional testing, validating acceptance criteria. So you can apply here itself. Okay. Then there's a requirement for a manual testing role. Location is Noida, and experience required is 1 to 3 years. And if you are interested, so you can share your resume to this particular email address. Hike QA is the name of the company. Then there's a requirement for QA manual tester. Location is Gurugram. Experience required is 1.5 to 5 years. Notice period is immediate joiner or serving 30 days of official notice period. So only product and fintech based candidates are preferred. So candidates should not have changed more than two companies in the duration of 5 years. These are all the skill set that is required. Then there is a requirement for freshers, and this for the ones who want to kickstart their career in the field of software engineering, Java. So there's an opportunity for 2025 and 2026 graduates, and they're hiring for software engineer to join the role. And these are the batch 25-26 passed outs. And this is the application link wherein you have to apply. So I'll be putting all these details in the separate comment and the earlier details in the separate comment so you can apply accordingly, and you can get shortlisted for the interviews. Wish you good luck for your careers ahead, and thank you so much for watching the video, and please hit the like button and share this video among in your network so that it reaches out to the maximum people, right? Thank you.